everybody, so this is the no equipment workout. All you need is a mat, water, and a towel. So let's get started with the warm-up. For this warm-up, I'm just taking it nice and slow. Right arm above the head, and we switch arms, stretch it out. Just a couple of stretches to get you nice and warm. Let's take the arm across the chest. Just a couple times, and switch the arms out. You got it. Now let's jog it in place. Just a nice light jog. Now let's take those arms forward, then swivel them back, big circles. Next, side lunges, just side to side. Bending the knee, keep that knee behind the toe. Jog it in place again. Again, getting the heart rate up just a little bit, getting us nice and warm. Now let's squat and stretch. Squat and stretch. Jog it out. Get that heart rate lifted. Just a different angle of me jogging. And twist from the core. Again, trying to get that body nice and warm. Let's stretch it out. Over the side of the head. Take the arm across the chest, a little bit faster this time. Swing those legs. Nice stretch, don't have to be super high. Switch it out. You got it. Next, let's start off with our first workout, push-ups. Try to get in 10 to 20 push-ups. Completely up to you. You can count or you can time yourself. Do a minute. Then we're going to go into jumping jacks. Again, 10 to 20 or do a full minute. So this can be a timed workout or you can count it out. Next, we've got bicycles. Here, I'm just taking my opposite knee towards the opposite elbow, kicking that other leg straight out, working the abs. Jog in place. Again, you can either count 10 to 20 seconds or do a full minute. Now we got sitting toe touch. Now for this, as you can see, I'm not actually sitting, I'm staying in the air as I go towards my foot with my opposite hand. If you need to sit, you can. Next, we got burpees. 10 to 20 if you can. Do the best you can. Bend at the knees, take it down, jump it up. With these, you can also step out if you choose. And when you come up, you can also hop. As you can see, I added the little hop here. So do what works for you. Make it fun. Next, front kicks. Close grip push-ups. Now, these, as you can see, I'm taking it slow to show you that my hands are somewhat close together. Regular push-ups, my arms will be much wider, but these I'm really pushing out to work the back of the arm, the triceps. Brazilian plank kicks. These are so much fun, you guys. Really, you're just in a plank position and you're switching that leg out, kicking out on the opposite side. And here I just switch sides to give you a different angle. Working the abs again, roll up and switch it off with the leg raise. Use your core to lift and slowly lower you and then raise those legs. You can go slower or faster. Do what works for you. Now, as an alternative, you can just do a crunch and a knee lift. So as you can see, I switched it up to show you that crunch and then knee raise. If you have any issues going all the way up, do this as an alternative. Do what works for you. 10 to 20, or you can time it in a minute. We're back to jogging in place, guys. And the cool down. So as you can see, this was a very quick workout. You can do 10 to 20 of every exercise. You can time yourself and do a minute of each, do 30 seconds of each. So, depending on how much you do is really up to you. I made the video so that I could demo each exercise, but you really control how many reps you do or how long you choose to do it. You can make this as short or as long as you choose. It's a great workout to do when you don't have a lot of time and don't have any equipment. The cool down is definitely optional, but I highly suggest you cool your body down after you do your workout. It's so important to get that heart rate lowered and get it back to a normal state so that you can go on with your day. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye, guys.